If you're looking to create an online course, the reason people will buy your course is because you're solving their problems. You help them to get from here to here. But sometimes you don't know what exact problems are they experiencing or having. What is important? What exactly should I teach? And that's exactly what I'll share in this video. I am giving you completely free of charge a lesson from my course creation mastery course where I teach you how to find problems for your target audience so that you can solve those problems in your course. If you enjoyed this lesson, check out a link in the description for my mastery course. You can get it for $47. It's practically free. And I want to help you create and launch your master online course. Or if you want my team to help you A to Z, you can also book a call. There's a link for that as well. And we'd love to be on your side and help you make it happen faster. So enjoy this lesson, and I cannot wait to hear your comments below. Enjoy. People will pay for your course because you are solving their problems. The bigger the problem, the more you can charge. So there are two kinds of courses, I always say. There are vitamins and there are painkillers. So if you create a painkiller, people will pay premium. Because imagine in your own life, like today, did I take multivitamin? No, I can't actually remember last time I took my multivitamin. Can't even say it. But trust me, if my back pain was killing me, I would immediately search for that pill to help myself because I'm recording, I'm standing on my feet, and I want to feel good. The same thing applies to your audience, the same thing applies to your course. You have to get down to their problems. The question is, how do you find those problems? Well, if you've been in your industry for a long time, you had many clients, it'll be pretty easy for you. Most of the time, a lot of our clients decide to create courses because they've been listening to their clients' problems and they've been solving client problems, and usually in one-on-one setting, they say, enough is enough. I'm tired repeating myself over and over and over. I will solve their problems with a course. So if that's you, that's probably the best way to be in because you already know your audience, you know the problems, and these lessons are more reminder for you. But if you're still struggling, you're not quite sure, I'll give you couple strategies that are very powerful. Some of my favorites, and I have shared with many clients, and they find it very helpful. So number one, listen to your audience. And if you cannot replay those conversations, reach out to your current or past clients and ask them to either get together in person and tell them why you want to get in person. Say, hey, look, I am working on a project that I want to gather as much information as I can. It's for an online course. And would you be willing to get together and, I can ask you some questions about, the challenges you face in X, Y, and Z industry. If they're not willing to meet in person, do a Zoom call and ask for the permission to record. And once you have that conversation, when you ask them different questions, hey, have you ever thought about creating a course? Yes, I have. How long have you been thinking about it? 3 years. Oh, 3 years. What's holding you back? You just keep asking them questions about your industry. And when they give you answers, follow up with this question. This is the magic question. Tell me more. Oh, interesting. Can you tell me more? Oh, what do you mean by that? Keep digging because they're going to tell you so many different things. And once you pinpoint their problems, it'll be easier for you to write your sales copy. It'll be easier to come up with your modules and lessons. So really listen. If you don't have clients or if you don't have anyone who's willing to talk to you, next best thing, two platforms. Number one, YouTube, and number two, Amazon. Yes. And even if you do interviews, I think this strategy could still be helpful. So what do I mean, Amazon and YouTube? Amazon, this is a gold mine. Amazon will have a lot of books on your topic. And what you want to do, you want to find the best-selling books in your topic. And then what you want to do is you want to go and read reviews. You want to read 5-star reviews. You want to see what people love about these books so you can incorporate more in your book. And then also see, most importantly, the 1 and 2 stars and see what people complain about. Why are they not happy with these books? What's missing in these books so you can solve their problems? If people keep saying the same thing over and over and over and nobody's solving that problem, the problem is there and people not finding answers. And if your course provides those answers, do you think you'll be more likely to sell your course? The answer is absolutely 100% yes. The same thing with YouTube. So people put content out all the time and talking about different topics. And what I'd like you to do, look at those best performing YouTube videos in your industry, on your topic, and read comments. People are often gonna ask you like, hey, great video, but you never talked about this. How do I do this? How do I do that? That's a problem. They need solutions. And if it aligns with your expertise, if it aligns with your topic, consider answering and solving their problems in your course. So this is incredibly powerful. If you do this the correct way, it's gonna change the direction and success of your course, and most importantly, you will provide tons of value for your students. All right, and last and final strategy is social media. Social media where you would put out your piece of content and questions to get people's feedback. So I recently created a course called Business Starter Kit, and it's all about how to set up your business properly. So in that case, I could go on Facebook or Instagram and ask different questions like, hey, when it comes to starting a business, what is the biggest obstacle do you face? Or have you ever wanted to create a business but you haven't done it yet? Why not? And then those answers would come in. I did not post on social media because I was confident. I know my industry. I've talked to a lot of clients, so I did not need to do that. But if I wasn't quite sure what exactly they want, what exactly they need, you can use social media to ask those questions. And when you post those questions on social media like Facebook and Instagram or TikTok or Snapchat, whoever knows what other platform has popped up since I filmed this course, use those platforms for feedback, but also what's gonna do, this like a side benefit, it's gonna prime your audience on this topic. It's gonna tell them like, look, you're the expert in this topic, you're talking about this topic, so that when you go and launch your course, they will be ready to listen to you and most likely buy because you've been talking about this for quite a while. So, it's a lot. It's important that you actually do the research now. Do not move forward. Do not go and keep going forward with other lessons before you do this, because this is so important. Because if you don't do it, if you don't pay attention, you're gonna kind of just throw something together that you think will be helpful. Your course will not be as successful as it can be. So go do the work, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this lesson from my course creation and launch mastery course that I gave you completely free of charge. I hope you got more confidence, that you have knowledge to share, and most importantly, how to keep moving forward. Again, if you'd like to get more support, there's a link to my course creation mastery course. You can get the whole course for $47. It couldn't be any cheaper. Or if you'd like our team to help you create and launch your very own online course, there's a link as well. Book a call, and we look forward to helping you along your journey so that you can create a digital product that you can scale your business with. See you soon.